So hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Once again I am back with an interesting question today, and this question is related to logarithm. So the question says that if logarithm of b base square root of 8 is equal to 10 upon 3, then we have to find the value of b. So I hope you know the properties of logarithm. So the first property that we will be using is change of base property. So suppose we have log m base n, and if you want to change the base, we can write like this: log m over log n, and we can choose any base, say for example small a. It can be e, natural log, it can be 10. So we will use this property in this question. So this we can write as log b over log root 8, and we can choose any base. So let us take the base as 10. We can do that. Is equal to, right hand side is 10 over 3. Let it be as it is. Now we will get log base 10 b is equal to 10 over 3 multiplied by log base 10 root 8. This will be equal to 10 over 3 multiplied by log base 10. 8 can be written as 8 raised to power 1 over 2. Now we can write log base 10b is equal to 10 over 3 multiplied by 1 over 2 times log base 10 8. So we will use now the another property, that log a raised to power m can be written as m times log a. I am not mentioning base here, it can be anything, like if we take 10, so it will be 10. For any base, this formula holds true. So in this step, 8 was raised to power 1 by 2, so it will come in the front. So it will get multiplied by 10 over 3. So we can simplify this. 2 times 5 is 10. So this will be 5 over 3 log base 10. Now 2 can be written, 8 can be written as 2 raised to power 3. Again we will apply the same formula here, the same rule. So this will be 5 by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by log base 10, and then we have 2. 3 and 3 gets cancelled. So we will get log base 10b is equal to 5 times log base 10 2. Now we see that we have the simplified form and we want to get the value of b. For that, what we can do is we can write 5 times log 2 base 10 as log base 10 2 raised to power 5. Just the reverse of this rule. So here m was 5, capital A was 2. So we can rewrite it as log base 10 2 raised to power 5. Now if we compare left hand side and right hand side, both are log base 10. So b will be equal to 2 raised to power 5. B is equal to 2 raised to power 5, that is equal to 32. So the final answer for B is 32. So if you want to get more such videos, do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.